It's cotton candy cloud.
Hey divas, so in today's video I will be sharing with you guys this unit that I am rocking right now, so if you guys are interested then definitely keep on watching. Okay divas, so jumping right in, today we have a unit by Sensationnel. It is from their What Lace line. It is one of their newest units called Darlene, and I have her in the color Money Piece Gold, and here she is. So her texture is yaki and she has like waves. Here's the cap construction. The cap construction is big head friendly. It does feature 2 combs in the front as well as a comb in the back with the adjustable straps, and it also has 6 inches of parting space, which is absolutely amazing. This unit also has a very nice hairline, as I'll show you guys here. You can't really tell, but it does have a very nice hairline. So here's how the unit looks straight onto my head. And I could already tell that this is going to be a very frizzy unit, which was very scary. So on me, this unit falls at about maybe like 16 to 18 inches. I am 5'2", in case you want to use that for height reference, and I do have a shorter neck. And yeah, I'm seeing that I can't really run my fingers through this unit, because if I do, it's going to get a lot bigger, which I don't mind, but it will get frizzy. So I was trying to tread lightly, as you guys can see. Now here I'm going to go ahead and show you guys the parting area, which the parting area is absolutely impeccable, as well as the hairline. I also wanted to note that although the hairline the lace is not, it's light, but it's like more transparent, more something that's like realistic, more so than being ashy like the last lace. So they did go ahead and improve that. And I was gonna go with a middle part at first, but you guys will see that I kind of changed my mind in the end. But I'm just adding a little bit of baby hair. But yeah, overall, I don't know about this unit. I don't know if it's really worth the hype. Just because of like the texture. I don't know if it's the color that I got, but yeah, anyways, I'm gonna let you guys go ahead and finish watching me make this unit work for me, and then of course I'll finish out with my closing thoughts. Okay divas, so now that you guys have gotten all the details and the specs on this unit, I'm here to tell you guys how I feel about it. So let's just jump right in. Okay divas, so as you guys can see, this hair is very big. I don't know why, I was not expecting her to be this big, like at all. Now if you guys know me and you guys have already been a diva, you guys know that I love big glamorous hair. Okay, so I don't have a problem with her being big, but there are definitely some other cons, but we're going to talk about the pros first. So the pros is that I feel like with this lace, this time when they did the What lace, I don't feel like it is that ashy transparent lace. I just did one yesterday and it was like, oh my god, it was like so freaking light. And I feel like even though this one is light, it's not like super ashy like the other one. So kudos to Sensationnel for going ahead and fixing that element of the wig. I feel like just me putting powder is enough, like to where it won't make the wig look ashy. So I really do like that improvement that they made. I love the amount of baby hairs. The baby hairs are not too excessive. You honestly, truthfully don't even need to add baby hairs, but I just like the way baby hairs look. So but you can definitely like go without adding baby hairs, like you definitely could have, but I don't know, I just like baby hairs. But anyways, I have reviewed this color before, I believe. I don't know if I reviewed this color or some type of money piece color I reviewed, and I love the money piece colors. I feel like they are just so freaking popping. Like I feel like that's what brings a different element to the wig, because you know we see a lot of the same styles. So I wanted to make sure that I got you know, a different color, because I was like, I just want a different color, and I just love different color wigs. So I don't always want to be bombarded with my 1B. Don't get me wrong, I love a 1B, but I try to try different things for you guys so that you guys don't get bored, and so that I don't get bored. And yeah, But with this wig, I probably should have just been boring and got 1B, okay? I feel like it's definitely like a, I don't know, like I just kind of feel like, okay girl, like you should have just had several seats and just be like, you know what, I'm just gonna purchase a 1B, because I feel like with this color, it does not really, I feel like this color and style don't really mesh well together. I just don't, I don't see the purpose. Like, I don't see the purpose of me wearing this wig as this color. Like, I feel like this definitely could have been a 1B and I would have been absolutely fine. I also feel like it does affect the texture of this unit as well. Now, this is like a yaki texture unit, and I don't know if you guys know, but sometimes with yaki texture units, it makes like the blonde colors and the lighter colors, like they're super dry and super brittle, which means that the fibers, you know, they act up, like on this side of my head. Like this side, she's cute, okay, but this side is like I done sweated it out, and I haven't sweated anything out because you guys know I just, you know, I've been here filming, okay? I mean, I filmed a makeup tutorial, but I've just been here filming, so it shouldn't look like I sweated it out, you know? And I feel like it's because of the texture of the hair. So I would definitely say that this would be, I don't know, this texture is definitely going to tangle. I tried not to run my fingers through it, just so that it wouldn't tangle or anything, but obviously, you know, I did go ahead and part the hair. I was gonna go with the middle part, but I was just not feeling it. I just felt like, I don't know, like I just was not feeling the middle part, and you guys know the middle part is my ish. But I don't know, for this unit I was just like, no, middle part is a no for me. So I went ahead and went with the side. I tried to do less manipulation as possible. Now, I didn't run my fingers through this hair, but I can probably bet and say that there's going to be shedding and tangling because of the texture as well as the color. So yeah, overall I think that this is a very pretty unit. It does remind me of one of their units. I think it's called Amani or something like that. It reminds me of like a bigger version of that, but I did try that one in 1B and I absolutely adored it. That's why I'm like, I should have just tried this one in a 1B. I feel like I really like this unit, and it is very pretty. Like, don't get me wrong, like she is very gorgeous, but I just feel like for me, like, no, I should have never stepped out of my element and tried this with this particular unit, okay? Because I love this color. Like, I even seen another unit by Sensational that I want to try with this color, but I just feel like this style is just like, it's a no, you know? And nobody reviewed it when I purchased mine, so it's just, I don't know. I think it's a pretty unit, divas, don't get me wrong, but I definitely would say to stick with a natural color, like if you don't want it to be like Frizz City over here, okay? Like, I would just definitely say that it could possibly be Frizz City, even if you get like a natural color, but I feel like maybe the texture would be a lot different if I got it in a darker color. Now, I did purchase Camille, and I purchased her in a natural color. From the reviews that I've seen, they said that this wig and that wig has the same curl pattern, so I'm going to be able to tell if I want to purchase this one in 1B, because I definitely contemplated it. But if I try Camille and it's the same, then I'm not purchasing her in a 1B, okay? Because, you know, this is kind of insane. I just wasn't expecting this. I don't know why. Like, I just wasn't expecting this. I guess I'm just caught off guard because of the color and everything doesn't mesh well with the style, in my personal opinion. But I still think that it is a pretty unit. Like, as I'm wearing it now, like, I'm like, okay, this is a really pretty unit, but it's just like, I can't run my fingers through it. I love to run my fingers through my hair, and yeah, I don't know. Like, I don't know, she's pretty, but tell me what you guys think. Tell me, please let me know like what you guys think, because is it just me or not? I don't know. But yeah, divas, if you fabulous girls want to purchase this unit, I will definitely find a link and put it in the description box below. I did purchase this one with my own coins, okay? So, you know, we're gonna see, because I'm gonna be reviewing Camille tomorrow, so definitely make sure that you are subscribed and you got your post notifications on so you will not miss that video either. But yeah, I mean, I don't know how to feel about this one. I feel like I need to try her in a natural color before I can say how I feel, or I at least need to try Camille to see like, okay, is this like, does the color make a difference? Okay, so like I said, I think that she is pretty, but yeah, I don't know. So anywho divas, thank you guys so much for watching. I greatly appreciate it. If you fabulous girls did enjoy this video and find it very helpful and easy to follow, definitely give me a thumbs up. Be sure to leave me a comment down below. I would love to hear from you fabulous divas and know what you guys are thinking. And be sure to go ahead and subscribe if you haven't done so already, and also hit the notification bell, girl. I upload quite often and you definitely do not want to miss any of my videos. And I really want you guys to comment down below and let me know if you bought this wig. Yes, I'm being nosy, all up in your business. Like, did you buy this wig? Are you gonna buy this wig? What color did you get? What color are you getting? Let me know, okay? Let me know. I need to know. I need to know your thoughts on it. If you already got this wig, just talk to me. I really need to know. But anyways, divas, thank you guys so much for watching. I greatly appreciate it, and I'll see you beautiful girls in my next video. Bye.